Okay, people, I'm going to show you the seasoning that I'll be using in this or another seafood cook-up. Okay, so right here we have the infamous complete seasoning, and it is right here in the dish. We have for you black pepper, that is right here in the dish. Cayenne pepper, there is no label, which is right here in the dish. We have the onion powder, which is right here in the dish. And I don't know the Maggi the right yasso in the dish. And lastly, I have some garlic powder, which is here
in the dish.
Okay, so now I will be sprinkling the black pepper on them first. Shadika got me hooked on this black pepper thing.
Yes, I love that I converted you. No more gone the days I have to hide and put black pepper in the food.
Yeah man, proper convert. Yes. Nah, say nothing still. Come convert in my little thing them too. So after this, people, see that? Little cayenne pepper in them now. Want the little spice. Can't deal with the unspiced food sometimes, even though I don't like pepper, but
I'm a fan of the pepper.
Shadika love it, so yeah. Some onion powder now. Just I put on all of them at once, then rub it. Onion powder. Now I use no ground seasoning, all powder on these lionfishes. Now try season them properly because I'm not sure how them would taste.
Yeah, this is our first
time,
and as you guys can see from the title, we're wondering if a venomous fish can really taste good.
Yeah, one doubt too, but it might taste good because you know how we are dealing with it. You don't know how our thing set. We not cook foolishness around here.
And that may I say all the lobster. Guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the cooking videos. Please don't hesitate to give us
the complete seasoning. Yeah, man,
please don't hesitate to give your suggestions of what you want to see us cook next. If it's going to be a pig or a pig nose, I don't care. Give your suggestions, guys. We enjoy hearing from you guys in the comment sections.
Yeah, so if you want see we do our next seafood boil,
definitely spam the comment with seafood boil.
Hit us up, people.
Yes.
Like we know what go on. And as you can see, I had fillet them. First time I do it, still never fillet a fish before. I see it on a Jamaican YouTuber that will watch my spearfishing brother. I watch him. I see my fillet the fish in the bush. So I say, if you can do this in a bush, I may have a kitchen. No, can do this in the kitchen too, man. And that's how you see me. Do a thing, see the bone here, Shadika bone for dash my bone. Man, dash it to. Hey, if you know Jamaicans are over here, the Prime Minister talking in a cabinet, I think in 2017, 2018, I don't remember. And him said Jamaicans have a source to fish back. See the fish back, yeah? When them fillet the fish, this is what's left, or this is what he was referring to as fish back. Tell me if them know how to order. I have never bought fish back in my life. Bad to bad fish back. No sir. What I'm take over. Anyways, put some more seasoning. That's how you are looking at this. Seasoning more properly. This is the jar. When really and truly never want to waste it, but me have to try with the head because I never clean it properly by the suppliers.
Yeah.
And I'm not about to get juked by no lionfish when me have to swell up and can't go work because these are my money. Don't know how it go. Yeah, so now swell me up. Hopefully it not swell up me inside. But you know we know if we don't post no more video, we don't know how that go.
How do you ever call your own body this point? God.
Anyway, people, when you see me in another video, so Shadi can never kill me off with the vegetarian so.
Guys, and that will be left as
it tastes good, people. But not like it.
Yeah, so if you haven't seen that video, guys, it's a good, easy one per recipe. You'll never regret it.
Yeah.
And I'll link it in the description as well as at the end cards. You guys know the gist.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. But we just a reminder.
Like, we're letting you guys know.
Yeah, man. We are on a journey to 500 subs.
Yeah,
before
August 31st.
31st.
Yeah, before the end of August. That's our goal right now.
That is our goal right now. So we're asking you, please help us out in reaching our goal. So if you're new around here and you like the little seafood content
or our challenges or our lifestyle videos,
whichever you see you like, please feel free to leave your comments, leave a subscription.
Leave a subscription.
Yeah, man, leave your subscription. Turn on the post notification to be notified,
guys, of course.
Another epic video.
And guys, of course, what's going to really spread it is you guys sharing it. So sharing whatever you like, sharing it on your status, posting it on your Instagram. It doesn't matter, just sending a friend something that you think they would enjoy from our content list.
Yeah.
So like, just spread the word. It helps.
So just your family members as well.
Yeah.
Anybody in your circle, you want to tell them, me have a nice couple on YouTube or in Shadika forever.
Helps, it totally helps. And of course, guys, I have to let you know that we appreciate the ones that watch our videos and watch it in full and actually leave a comment. We appreciate everything. Please, honestly, it feels so good to hear what you guys have to say, the feedback and responding to you guys.
Yeah. So right now they're finished season up. Yeah.
And we're just going right into the food montage right now.
Lionfish, yeah. This will be served with some Spanish rice and what is not served with it?
I don't know, you're the chef.
Oh yes, some potatoes with cheese and corn. Okay, alright guys, I'm adding the rest of the seasoning. I want to waste and much and I could drop it in there.
So what are you doing to it now?
I use the flour kind of get a little coating.
Yeah, so it's kind of making like a, what do you call it? French fried lionfish. We're frying it down.
One more block up on this man, that's bad. Yes. See that?
Our famous roll from the patty video. Y'all, if you haven't seen that video, it's going to be there in a playlist. Go check it out. It's growing.
A little crumb salad. Nothing much because knife is not fun. You can use a spoon, but I prefer to use my hand. Yes, give it a nice little stir.
So sorry for the noise, the rain's falling, we can't do anything about it. So
do a little taste.
Yeah.
Oh Jesus.
Gonna be the first one to taste it. How is it? It's not bad. How's the meat?
It have a fishy taste, but
It have a fishy taste? It have a fishy taste?
yeah, it tastes like fish, but it kind of dense. Nice.
Nice. Alright.
I like it. You want some?
Yeah.
Yes, people. The secret sauce is bubbling down. I won't reveal what is in it. You be the judge. Alright, people. I'll be tasting the lionfish. Let me get a little piece right now. So, the moment of truth. Nice.
So kind of venomous fish really tastes good.
Venomous fish, nice. And some rice, some mashed potato, and some vegetable. With the rice, we are eating with lionfish. We are enjoy this food. You can try the recipe. Eat it whatever you want. Enjoy, like, share and subscribe. I should take over mash up this.
Bye guys.
Bye. People, you never know me could eat lion. And nice. Instead of him poison meat, me digest him. Nice, yeah? Bad to bad. So look at the outside. What do you think about the fish, Ali?
It was good. It was really good. And I said, no lie. Watch him. No, sir. Yeah, man. Clean out everything. Yeah.
Whoa! Well, someone has something to wash it down.
Yeah, man. I let the sauce out now.
Wow. Wow.
Can I get a wow?
Wow.